right side delivered 1, 2, 3. So 3 Majestics and a bunch of foil rares. So this, now we're gonna see what the left side can actually produce here. Crush the Weak, Eater, Spell Strike, Out for Blood, Ray, Helix, and the Saber, Plasma Barrel Shot, and a foil Poison the Tips. So another foil Majestics. That's nice. And then I turn area to control gift is. This is really nice, and like just to be able to make them discard cards or defend, like you're forcing the action, are really nice. Need to build this one. So now we are, I would say, in a good mood here. 4 mythics, 2 foil, and now we have at least 2 Cinder Sabers, because I got 1 cold foil and another display. So basically, any more Majestics, then we are out ahead of curve. Let's see here. Push Forward, Blessing, Crush, Workshop, Increase Tension, Combustible, Predatory, High Speed, Bighorn, and a Rune Shot. I think Poison the Tips is gonna be a nice card to build a deck around. If I get 1 more, then I have a great Blitz start. Maruvian Skies, Cindering Foresight, and a foil Bighorn. I have some Bighorns in my stack, and then I can probably build something around those as well. Let's see here. Consume, Chokeslam, Out for Blood, Hit and Run, Dominance, Workshop, Blessing, Rushing River, and a Reaping Blade, and a Seismic Surge foil. So nice. And I don't have the blade, so that's great. Then I can actually try that out as well in my Ray. Let's see here, we are moving down the packs. Kano, Eater, Chokeslam, Swing Fist, Hit and Run, Sleep Dart, Flying Kick, Cindering Foresight, High Speed, and a Flying Kick. Right. So we're getting the, I think this is my first Kano as well. I think I do remember. But I can build some more. Assault, Soul Blade, Eater, Overblast, Crushing, Swing Fist, Push Forward, another Maruvian Skies, Remorseless, and a Workshop. So it's nice. Now we are ahead of the mythic curve, even though 2 were in the like foil slot. Nice. So Ranger's getting better. That's nice. And if you guys have any like ideas of what Blitz decks I could build, I would really like to link them if you want. I need in some. Then we have a KO. That's nice. And an Aider Conduct and a foil Salty Wound. So that's my first KO. I don't have any claws yet. And I think this, I have 1 version of that. So now we're in the last packs here. And okay, display. I have 1 more display of Crucible left. And so it's going to be interesting to see what that display can give me. Crane Dance, Barraging, and Overblast. Helix, Overblast, Plasma, Brutal, Bolt, Dominance, Blessing, a Skies, and another Gaze of Ages, and a Rushing River. So that's nice. This is a nice art. 2 if I play an attack card. Oh, well, this is really nice. So I can really just continue opting if I really am looking for something interesting. And a Rushing River foil. So, I mean, I can't be sad about getting this amount of Majestics. Rushing River Red, High Speed Impact, Foil Choke Slam, and 2 packs to go. Let's slow down a bit. Not. Oh, that was really. Okay, this one. It will be, well, legendary. Meet and Greet, Ira, Reinar, Crush the Weak, Antos, Push Forward, Regional, Red Liner, and Curse of Bladehold, number 2, so I have 2 cards now, and a foil Assault. Nice, I can play Dual Warriors now with the Cinders. And a Liner, well, also nice. I don't think I have it, but then now the Ranger actually can get going. And the last pack. Seems like they're opted that the Majestic slots are, well, I don't know, more frequent. I'm not sure, but it feels like it. And we have Rubian Skies, Reinforced Line, and second cold foil. So 2 cold foils in this one. Sledge of Anvil. That is nice. So we have actually interesting. So we are 1 above the curve in cold foils. Nice. I mean, these guys are amazing. Well, I think we'll say we have a decent pack here with the amount of Majestics and interesting weapons that we find. From Twinning Blade and Dome and Find the Center and some rares. So cool foils, nice Majestic, foil Majestic, Twin Blade, non-foil but still, and foiled Find Center, Rushing River, so Ninja and Ranger, and well, these weapons with the C play. Thanks for now.